Hello everybody, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty and Pamela's world. Yes, I just want to say welcome. I am going to show you guys how I am going to make coleslaw. But this recipe here is from a YouTuber named Resa Richardson. Yes, Resa Richardson. She was making coleslaw one day and it looked so good to where I have to make it also. So if you want to go and visit her channel, check out Resa Richardson, R-E-S-A Richardson, and you will be very inspired by her. She is a praying woman. She is a God-fearing lady. She is very inspirational and I love her. So what I am going to use today, which I already cut, green cabbage, red cabbage, but she didn't have red cabbage in her recipe on her video, so I decided to add red cabbage, but she said you could fix it up however you want to fix it. So that what she was making is what she likes, so I'm pretty much copying what she, you know, all put in, but except that I am adding the red cabbage. And I also got 3 carrots here, 3 carrots. I have my mayonnaise, any brand. I have my apple cider vinegar, any brand. I have my sugar, any brand. And you also can add salt and pepper, well, however you want to, because I'm going to add sugar. So that's how she likes it. She likes sweet coleslaw, and I do too. So what she made and the way it was looking looked really good. Now I'm going to continue to cut my cabbage as I put it in my food processor. And I would like to say, Resa, this is my first time using my food processor, and I had this about 3 years. Didn't know how to use it, so I figured it out how to put it together to use it. Got it plugged in. I got it. Let me pull zoom out. Okay. Okay. I'm going to first add my carrots. Do 2 at a time. All right. And now I am going to add my cabbages. He was outside.
Yeah.
Look at that, y'all. That's pretty. All that time wasted. All that time. I guess I couldn't really figure out how to use it. And never used it. But that coleslaw looked so good that Resa was making. So I said, let me take this thing out, because she did mention food processor. I said, Lord, I got one. And y'all, I would like to wish y'all a happy 4th of July. This is July 3rd. And if I do not come back on YouTube and vlog, I would just like to say happy 4th of July. I have to work tomorrow for the 4th of July. So I don't know when this video gonna go out. I may edit it tonight or tomorrow, which tomorrow will be 4th of July. I have to do it once I get off from work. So I would like to say happy 4th of July to you guys. Now, alright, let me clean this up and I'll be right back with you guys. I got my aluminum pan, and what I am going to do is mix the ingredient up in this aluminum pan because the bowl is not big enough. all that mixed. And now I am going to add mayonnaise. Finger keep cramping up. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't know why my fingers, they just get cramped up. Oh. Next, I am going to add the apple cider vinegar. I don't know how much, but I'm just going to pour a little. Then I am going to sprinkle in a little sugar. Yeah, and she says that it's supposed to break down, you know, and settle. The vinegar is supposed to draw the water out of the cabbage, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, now I'm going to taste it. Oh my God. That's all I gotta say. Oh my God. Y'all, don't y'all go buy no coleslaw. Y'all go and make it. This the bomb. I fixed it like you fixed it, but only I used red cabbage as well. Y'all, from now on, I will start making my own coleslaw. Nothing compared to this. Nothing. No other coleslaw. No other. And what I am going to do, I am going to cover this with aluminum foil and put it over in the refrigerator. Y'all check Resa out. Check her out. Resa Richardson, check her out and her coleslaw. Thank you all so much for watching. And please come back for some more YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.